I can't even find this bubble that I saw. I feel like there's been a lot that have come out. Like Calvin, have you seen? Did you watch Long Legs?